Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to sign in to YouTube TV on your smart TV. Have you ever struggled to access your YouTube TV account on your smart TV? Maybe you just got a new TV, or perhaps you've been logged out. Don't worry, it's a pretty straightforward process, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. In this video, we'll cover 3 main methods to sign in, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite live TV content on the big screen in no time. We'll look at signing in directly on your TV, using your phone or computer as a remote, and troubleshooting common sign-in issues. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. Method 1. Signing in directly on your TV. Okay, so let's begin with the most common method, signing in directly on your smart TV. First, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Usually, a pop-up will appear if it's not. If not, check your TV's settings to connect to your Wi-Fi. Next, navigate to the YouTube TV app on your smart TV. If you don't have it installed, you can find it in your TV's app store, search for YouTube TV and download it. Once the app is open, you should see a sign-in button. Select it. Now, you'll be presented with a screen asking for your Google account email and password. Using your TV remote, carefully enter the email address associated with your YouTube TV subscription. After entering your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Again, use your remote to type in your password. Double-check that it's correct to avoid any errors. Once you've entered your email and password, you might be asked to verify your login using two-factor authentication, if you have it enabled. This could involve receiving a code on your phone or another device. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After successful login, you should be taken directly to the YouTube TV interface on your TV, where you can browse channels and start watching. Method 2. Using your phone or computer as a remote. If typing with your TV remote is a hassle, there's an easier way. You can use your smartphone or computer. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV and select Sign In. This time, look for an option like Sign In with a web browser or use a code. Select that option. Your TV will display a unique activation code. Now on your computer or smartphone, open a web browser and go to youtube.com/activate. You'll be prompted to sign in with the same Google account that you use for your YouTube TV subscription. After signing in, you'll be asked to enter the activation code that's displayed on your TV screen. Type in the code carefully. Once you enter the code, click Allow to grant YouTube TV access to your account. Your TV should now automatically sign in to YouTube TV. Method 3. Troubleshooting common sign-in issues. Sometimes things don't go smoothly. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet and that your connection is stable. Try restarting your router if you're having issues. Incorrect email or password. Double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. Passwords are case-sensitive, so pay attention to capitalization. Outdated YouTube TV app. Ensure you have the latest version of the YouTube TV app installed on your TV. You can usually update apps through your TV's app store. Two-factor authentication issues. If you're having trouble with two-factor authentication, make sure you have access to your backup codes or recovery options. Account issues. If you suspect there's an issue with your YouTube TV account, contact YouTube TV support for assistance. And there you have it. 3 different methods to sign in to YouTube TV on your smart TV, plus some helpful troubleshooting tips. Hopefully, this video has helped you get logged in and ready to enjoy your favorite shows. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments below which method worked best for you or if you're still having issues. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.